how do you get the error messages of a background process? So let's say I'm running a program, debug, and then it's printing something, but well, this program you actually don't want to run in your terminal. It's a fan speed controller, which you would probably want to run in the background. It's the kind of program you'd put in your xinitrc and forget about it. But the problem with this is, well, if we do this, so this is running in your xinitrc, but when we open the window manager, we're in a different shell, and we don't actually have access to this thing, and we can't actually see what it's printing. Now, that's fine if you don't care about it, but what if it crashes? When it does, and since we don't have access to what it's printing, well, we can't actually know what actually made it crash. Now, if you run your program with systemd, for example, let's look at Pipewire, you can just do systemctl user status, or not user actually, the systemctl status, and you can see what it's printing even though it's running in the background. Now you can do journalctl and debug that, but it's honestly kind of a pain. So is there a better way of doing this without, let's say you don't want to run systemd? Instead of just running your program, you redirect the output of your program to a temporary file. So if we do this, it doesn't actually print anything, because when we go to tmp and cat the file, it's printing to this temporary file. And when it crashes, you can just check this file for the error messages. And of course, if you want to redirect your standard out, you can just do this instead. If you want both, well, you probably want to do this. So it will just append to the file.